I'm Martine from the Westchester Children's Museum, and I'm here with a very special guest, my nephew.
Dashiell.
Dashiell. All right, Dashiell, what are we making today?
So we're going to be making ice cream in one of these bags.
So this is, yeah, in a bag. We're not making your regular store-bought ice cream. We're making special ice cream made by us as a science experiment. That's pretty cool, right?
Yes.
And why are we making the ice cream? What special day is on Sunday?
Because it's National Ice Cream Day.
The best holiday, National Ice Cream Day, is this Sunday on July 19th. So you guys can celebrate with our special ice cream recipe, ice cream in a bag. All right, so we're gonna go through.
And wait, don't forget to get a notebook and paper if you want to remember.
That's a good point. You gotta take notes, and we'll have our recipe up on the website as well, WCM at Home, where we put all of our experiments. Thank you, Dash, good point. So we're gonna go through our ingredients, and then we're gonna show you guys how to do it, and then we'll do a special taste test at the end, so you guys know that it's really good.
Yeah.
Do you wanna start off with the ingredients? What's our first one?
So our first one is sugar.
Sugar, to make it sweet, we got a 1/4 cup of that. We already measured it. What's the next one?
We have a teaspoon of vanilla.
Yep, for some extra special flavor. What's next?
We have half and half.
Which we're gonna pour out a cup on camera. You guys can watch us do it. And
we have heavy cream.
Heavy cream. So that's where our ice cream is coming from, the heavy cream, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense. Then what's this one?
We have kosher salt.
Salt? That's kind of weird. Do you think it's gonna make the ice cream taste weird?
No.
No, maybe. That's part of the experiment. You guys will find out.
At the end.
At the end. And then what's this?
This is blue food coloring. It doesn't make anything taste good, it just adds color if you have any.
Just makes it pretty fun. And then we've got, of course, what's the first part of ice cream?
Ice.
Ice, we've got our ice. And
we have sprinkles and chocolate chips.
Yeah, that's our extra addition. You guys don't have to put that in if you want, or you could put in other flavorings. That's just what Dash wanted. Mm-hmm.
They're just like, they make things taste, they make it as toppings, and the chocolate chips add special flavor. Exactly.
And then for other supplies, you need a gallon-size zip top bag and a quart-size zip top bag, and
you need a mitt.
Yeah, oven mitts, mittens, whatever, just because we don't want our hands to get cold.
Yeah, if they get cold, you'll have to stop.
Yeah. All right, so I think we're ready to get started. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's high five. Okay, so it's time to put our ice cream in a bag together. So first, the first step, we have to pour our half and half in heavy cream. We need 1 cup, okay? Dash, you're gonna take the half and half. I'm gonna do the heavy cream. So here you go. You're gonna pour into here up to the line, carefully.
But before you make them, you have to have a parent with you.
Yes, caregiver
Always.
Supervision is needed. So we're gonna go up, 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 up a little bit more. Does that look like it's on the line?
If we had like a little more.
Gonna do a drop more.
Good.
Perfect. All right, that's our heavy cream.
Yeah.
And now we gotta pour, that's our half and half. And now we gotta pour the heavy cream.
That's the heavy cream.
So you're gonna look and tell me when it gets to the line. The one at the top. Doing 1 cup of both of these.
1 cup.
It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. Almost there. This is thicker, right?
Good.
Perfect. So we got heavy cream and half, ready to go. And where are we putting these?
We're gonna put them in the quarter bag.
The quart-size bag. And we gotta open it up first. So luckily, our measuring cups have spouts on them, so we can easily pour them in.
We
Do you
don't
want
have
to hold the bag over the table?
Sure.
Okay, ready?
We don't have.
Oh, it gets heavy.
That's why it's called heavy cream.
Our heavy cream is heavy. And now put that down on the table. I'm going to pour the next one in.
The heavy cream is coming now.
Oh, it's even heavier.
Yeah.
Okay. So, that is that.
We zip it so it doesn't spill.
Exactly.
But even though, you still want to keep it from falling on its side. Because then, it might, since it's like a liquid, liquids can squeeze through.
You're
like
right.
That, and it could have squeezed through the bag. So
and then we wouldn't have any ice cream.
Yeah.
Keep it upright.
Yes, keep it upright, even though it's locked. Or put a towel over it.
A towel under it, you mean? Okay, so now we're gonna open it back up. Now we have our sugar. So we're gonna pour our sugar in. Can you hold this open? hold it open so I can get the sugar. Ooh. We're gonna pour a 1/4 cup of sugar inside, so now it's nice and sweet.
And then later.
Our vanilla, right?
Yes.
We put our vanilla in, and now I need you to put our chocolate chips in.
Okay.
And we're gonna sprinkle some sprinkles in after. Gotta be careful, we gotta hold it upright and pour it in. Go, go, go. Perfect. And now, careful that it doesn't spill. I'm gonna sprinkle some sprinkles, okay? You told me when to stop. Right, ready? Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
That should be stopped.
Perfect.
We got like a cup.
And now, can you help me zip it up?
Yep.
The air out. Now, how do you think this is gonna turn into ice cream? It's so liquidy. What do you think's gonna happen? Okay, so we're ready for our next step. So we added a few drops of blue food coloring in.
We added 7.
We added 7 drops in. You can put any color you want. And you can see, what do you see at the bottom?
You see, if you look closely, you can see not food. You can see sprinkles and chocolate chips.
Okay, so now we already filled up our bag of ice. Do you want to put a couple more in just so you guys can see?
Yeah.
We're using a spoon so our hands don't get cold.
Yeah.
All right, and now, next step, we've got our salt. So you're gonna carefully pour that salt in. Salt.
And then it's gonna melt a little.
Yeah.
It's gonna make the ice cream. If you see the ice cream on the top, it's always like a scoop. That's the ice melted, and that's the heavy cream, and that's this stuff. And our ice cream will be blue.
So we're going to put our bag inside of the bigger bag. Can you help me out?
And it's gonna be cool.
And now we're gonna zip it up. Can you zip it up? And now it's time to shake. Did you get your mitts on? And you're gonna grab it and you're just gonna shake, 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 all right? Go, go, go. Go, shake, shake, shake. So we're shaking for 5 minutes. Shake, shake, shake. See, it's already starting to get frosty.
See that? And it's barely squished.
All right, everybody, so we've been shaking it for a while. We shook it up extra just to make extra sure. So now, Dash, you want to grab that bag out? And let's see, it's cold, but would you look at that? It's a solid. Give it a poke. So what happened here, when we add the salt onto the ice, it lowers the melting point, which means that the ice starts to get really melty. See, it's water. The ice gets really melty, and it pulls all the cold away from the ingredients in the quart-size ice cream bag, and it turns our ice cream into a solid. How cool is that? Okay, so it's time to taste it. We got our ice cream scoop, and we're gonna see. Oh, let's get it out. That's for Dashiell. Look at all those chocolate chips and sprinkles are worked right into it. We got one for me, and let's show it up close.
They're in watermelon.
Look at how beautiful that ice cream is. Let's taste it. Here's your spoon.
Thank you.
Let's see how it is. Ready? Ooh! Taste the cream. Taste the vanilla. Taste the crunch from the sprinkles and the chocolate chip. I think it's pretty good. High five! We did it! Happy National Ice Cream Day, everybody!
Bye.
Check out the activity on our WCM at home page and try it out. Let us know how it goes. Thank you!